Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel e-commerce project tutorial. In this video, we will cover the MySQL database configuration with our Laravel e-commerce project. By default, in Laravel 13, SQLite database is configured. Now let's see how can we configure the MySQL database in Laravel 13 project. In installation video, we have installed WAMP server which comes with MySQL database. So first of all, let's open the WAMP server. So press Windows key and search here WAMP server. Okay. And now just click on yes. Now it's starting the services. Alright, services started. Now on system tray, just click on this arrow icon and here you can see the WAMP server icon. Now just click here, mouse left button, and inside the database management just click on PHP MyAdmin. In username, just write here the username which is root, and in WAMP server root password is by default blank. Okay, so keep it blank. Now just click on login. Alright, now just click on databases and here let's create a new database. So inside this text box just write here Laravel database name which is Laravel 13DB. Okay, now just click on create. Okay, database created. Now just click on this database and let's copy this database name. And now let's configure this MySQL database with our project. Okay, so go to the Visual Studio Code. Here let's open the .env file, and inside this env file you can see here by default SQLite database is configured. Okay, so first of all let's change here the DB connection name. So just remove this SQLite and write here MySQL. Okay, and now just uncomment this line. Okay, so select this line and press Ctrl K U. Okay, and now DB host which is 127.0.0.1 which is equivalent to localhost, and DB port 3306 DB database. So just write here the database name which is Laravel 13DB, username which is root, and DB password keep it blank because in WAMP server by default root password is blank. Okay, now here let's add one more which is DB underscore collation. So right here collation and put here the value UTF-8 MB4 underscore Unicode underscore CI. Okay, this DB collation setting is used to specify the default character set collation for the MySQL database connection. This is a Unicode collation that supports a wide range of languages and characters. Alright, now save this .env file and just close this. And now let's migrate the migration. So go to the command prompt. So here inside the command prompt, first of all just stop the running application. So press Ctrl+C. Now clear the screen and let's migrate the migration. So just write here PHP artisan migrate. Okay, now hit enter. Alright, migration done. Now let's check the database. So go to the PHP MyAdmin and just refresh the database. And you can see here the tables. Okay, users table, session tables, migration table, and all. These all tables. Okay, so this video covers the MySQL database configuration. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the next part of this series. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.